Travel Smart, how to explore for under $1,000, maximize points and fly standby. Travel Smart, how to explore for under $1,000, maximize points and fly standby. Travel doesn't have to break the bank. Here are insider tips to help you travel cheap and smart. Use credit card points to cover flights and hotels. Book standby flights to save hundreds on airfares. Travel during weekdays or off-peak seasons for lower prices. Stay in budget-friendly accommodations like hostels, Airbnb, or motels. Use public transit or rent bikes instead of taxis or rental cars. Pack light to avoid extra baggage fees. Eat where locals eat, affordable and authentic food spots. Explore free or low-cost attractions like parks, museums with free days, and walking tours. Affordable nearby places to visit and eat, example, Los Angeles area. Places to visit. Griffith Park and Observatory, free entry, open daily 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., great views and hiking trails. The Getty Center, free admission, closed Mondays, open 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., stunning art and gardens. Santa Monica Pier and Beach, open daily, free access, enjoy the beach, street performers, and affordable food stalls. Affordable eats. In-N-Out Burger, open daily 10:30 a.m. to 1 a.m., affordable classic burgers and fries. Gorilla Tacos, Tuesday through Saturday, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m., creative tacos at reasonable prices. Grand Central Market, open daily 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., variety of budget-friendly food. Stalls with global flavors. Disclaimer, business hours and policies may change without notice, always check current info before you go. We built our digital businesses at newbeginning.com, which is why we can pursue our dreams. What is your dream? We'd like to see if we can help you achieve your goals. Visit www.newbeginning.com/webinar to find out more. Thanks, and God bless you.